EazyGrozr is an Android mobile app for shopping of green groceries. You will be testing a few core features of this app. To operate the prototype, use the mouse to simulate your finger on a touch screen. Left click to tap, scroll mouse to scroll. Please note that data like names, items, and data prices, etc. present in this test prototype. Are present in this test prototype. So instead of your inputs, the app will display the present data. This is not an error. Proceed with the present data. Also, all the buttons are not operational. Only those are relevant for testing will work. Others will not work. This is not an error. Proceed with what's working. EazyGrozr supports shopping of green groceries as a family activity with family groups similar to WhatsApp. Okay, let's see. Imagine that it is a pleasant weekend and you have got some free time to try out the EazyGrozr app. But to start using the app, you have to join in. So join to start using the app. On completing the joining process, please read aloud the names of the family groups you have been attended to. Spend no more than 2 minutes on this. When you feel that you have completed this task 2 is on the second task panel on the left side of the screen. Then go to the next task. Okay, let's go sign up now. Please enter your name, Rohan. Also your mobile number, 987654321. Next, we have sent us. Okay. Just a code. Done, maybe. Okay, so my name is Kumar. It's okay. Would you like to add a photo? Maybe not right now. Skip. Kumar, this is your number. Would you like to create an EazyGrozr account? Okay, let's create it. Your EazyGrozr account is active. You were invited to 2 groups by your family. Your mobile number is now added to these 2 groups. Okay. Chachis and LP Nagar Rockstars. Okay. So I think I have successfully logged in into the EazyGrozr app. Let's check the next instruction maybe. Task to this task. Please make sure that the task 2 is selected on the left panel. It is nice to be part of these 2 extended joint family groups, but imagine that you would have a group for just your household. So make your own family group in the app and add members. On completing the process, please read aloud the names of the family groups you are now a member of, including the group you just created. Spend no more than 2 minutes when you feel you have completed this task. Okay, let's begin the step. Let's go to task 2. Okay, new, maybe. Yes, not maybe, it's new. My family. Okay. Created. Okay. House or flat number name. It's plot 2. Street address is A Road. Locality is a locality. Okay. City is a city. State is a state. Pin code is just some pin code. Okay. Save. Let's add Mina Maria and Donny backward. Okay, added. 4 verified EazyGrozr is added to the group. Invitation message to 2 non-verified members. Okay. Done. And now the groups are Chachis, LP Nagar Rockstars and Kumar and family. Great. Next step. Task 3. Please make sure that the task 3 is selected on the left panel. Imagine that your family group has been active for a few days. Then there is a notification denoting 10 updates on your group. Open the group and look around the screen. Scroll to see the 10 updates. Talk about what you see on the screen and what do you think you can do here. After that, it's time for shopping. Since your family has been using the app for a few days, the app has been made a note of the items that your family likes. Make a shopping list from these most liked items, but apple and broccoli into the shopping list. On completing the process, please read aloud the items in your shopping list. Spend no more than 3 minutes on this task. Okay, let's begin the task. Task 3. So, yeah, so there are two notifications over here. Hmm. There are 10 messages over here. Ashish, who's getting the apple and veggies today? This Meena, not me. Got class. Somebody has to tether and buy the sabzi. I have to go out in the evening. Thank you, Nana. You are the best. You spoil the gates. You have to learn. Kumar got 4 items from the cart for Rima stores. Cart from the Rima stores is empty and is removed. Okay. Okay. One card from the big basket delivery scheduled for 25th May 9 a.m. Okay. No, I think I have read out. Yeah, so basically, somebody is asking to get groceries, and people are replying to it that either they can get it or not. And in the end, Kumar is the guy who got the grocery items. Okay. And he also ordered one item from Big Basket. Yeah, so that is done. After that, it's time for shopping. Make a note of the items that your family likes. Put in the shopping list. Okay, let's go to the list. Here, there are no. Let's check out the favorites. Apple. Yeah, there is broccoli over here. There's apple over here. Adding it to the list. I don't know. Maybe just one of both. Oh, you can actually check the price too. Check price, it's not available. Okay, so maybe that is done. Shopping list may you have added. Okay, so maybe I have added things to the list, but they are not updated. Apple, broccoli, add to list. Done. Done. So your list contains basically 2 items. Next step. Task 4. Make sure the task 4 is selected on a F1 and imagine that you are ready to get the items on your shopping list. Please do the following sequence. First, Apple, assume that you have decided to buy apples online. Find the cheapest online prices for the apples and choose to buy them in from the online seller. Next, broccoli, you want to physically check the freshness of broccoli and buy them. Find the cheapest in-store low price for the broccoli and choose buy it from a local seller. Please read aloud the names of the sellers of the carts. Okay, let's start with the task. Task 4 selected. Okay, let's go to Kumar and family. List. So here, as you can see, Apple check price. Yes. So I think they are listed according to the price. Yeah. So let's add it to a cart. So Rima stores A251 Sector 3 Dwarka. This is the place which provides the cheapest apples. And let's go back to broccoli. Maybe check price. Okay. Next, broccoli. You want to physically check the freshness of broccoli. Buy from a local grocery store. Find the cheapest in-store price for broccoli. Okay, but yeah, there is no option to. There is only option to check price. How do you actually check the freshness of it? So check price button is disabled, I feel. Cards is disabled. Recent favorites is disabled. I think you cannot check price for broccoli. Next step. Oops. Need to read out the instructions. Task 5. Please make sure that task 5 is selected from the left menu. Imagine you have decided to go for the local store to yourself to buy broccoli but want someone else to get the apples online. First, send a note to other family members informing them about this. Next, you want to make sure that they take a note of it, so send them a reminder on completing the two steps. Please read aloud the reminder note displayed in the app. Spend no more than 2 minutes in this. Okay, let's select task 5. Yeah, so okay, Kumar and family. Okay, first send a note informing them about this. First, send a note to other family. Can someone please get order apples online? Okay, so I have put some apples into the grocery cart. Someone please order it. Broccoli at JK. I'll buy it out when I go in the evening. Please read aloud the reminder note on displaying the app. So I've read it. That's it. So task 6. Please make sure task 6 is selected on the left panel. Imagine that you have brought broccoli at the local store. Updated information in the cart on completing. Please read aloud the updated notification from the app. Spend no more than 2 minutes on this. Task 6. Okay. Information in the carts of the seller. Mm, view cart. Broccoli. Update list. You have completed shopping for items of the cart. So after updating the shopping list, the empty cart is removed. Okay. Cart for JK groceries is empty and is removed. Great. Next task. On task 7, please make sure that the task 7 is selected. Oh, it seems that you have no one has got the apple, so you have to go do that yourself. So buy the apples from the online sale. On completing, please allow the updated notification from the app. Begin this step. Okay, carts. Task 7. Kumar and family. Carts. View cart. Apples. Order now. Delivery was set on this date. Continue. Bef- Continue. Hmm. Okay, let's select a debit card payment or maybe cash on delivery. That's it. Payment part is not considered for this testing product. Index seen in India is fluid. Many new digital payment methods have been implemented, so press OK and skip it. Complete the task. Okay, you have completed shopping for all the items in the cart, so go first. So after updating the shopping list, empty cart is removed. Okay, I think great. Now cart for groupers and empty and is removed. On a scale of 1 to 5, how much do you disagree and agree with the following? I think I would like to use this app frequently. 5. Okay. I found this unnecessarily complex. 3 neutral because I would say a normal guy in the age of 30s, 40s, 50s won't understand a lot of this. Must need teaching. Will need teaching. I thought the app was very easy to use. Yes, it is kind of easy, but not that easy. I think that I would need the support of the technical person to be able to use this app. I would say neutral because yes, it depends upon the age groups and people are not familiar. People are not familiar unless and until they have taught. Maybe a tutorial would suffice for things, or maybe a video tutorial is enough. I found the various functions in this app were well integrated. Yes, they were well integrated. I thought there was too much inconsistency in this app. Not really. Uh, but yes, like at the places, it kind of becomes a little confusing on what things are and how things must be done. Once it becomes handy, then it is easy. I would imagine that most people would learn to use the app very quickly. I would give it a 4 star just to point out what I have said right now. It's not easy. It is not that complicated, but not even very easy. Found the app very cumbersome to use. Not really a neutral review, maybe. Felt very confident using the app. Yes. I need to learn a lot of things before I could get going with this app. Not really. You need to only understand how an app works. Any final thoughts, questions, suggestions you have before recording to continue? Not really. It's a very good app and a good way to manage things, groceries, and ways to buy online. If the online buying thing like from Groupers or anything Big Basket is integrated into the app, it would be a very good thing. I feel. Rest and then that the app is pretty much easy to use for um, a teenager kids or the people in the age of 20 to 30. But as you go older, then the app, as the greater age group you target, it becomes a little bit difficult to use the app, and a tutorial might be needed.